Good evening, this is Giuseppe Basile. I'm the Analyst and Trader. You can find at the blog FibonacciStalking.com. I also post regularly on Twitter using the @FibStalker nickname. Good evening. Today is April the 14th, 2013. It's 10 to 11 p.m. Italian time. And I want to remind you that the Italian time zone is GMT +1. So the market, the US market closed almost 1 hour ago. This video is a brief video and it's part of my FibStalker midweek update I'm going to send out tonight. And in this video I usually review the Euro FX currency futures, the dollar index, and the S&P500 E-mini futures. So let's start quickly from the euro dollar. What you see on the screen is the daily chart of the Euro FX currency futures on the CME, and this is aligned to the June 2013 expiration. So those who follow me know that we have been timing this the start of this measure move lower at the beginning of February, and we had the first measure move lower in the 136 area. Notice that these levels are aligned to the June 2013 expiration. This is a continuous contract, so they may be slightly different from those that we traded in the past. So for that you can review my website, and there are all the videos. We had this move lower from February, which basically lasted 2 months, February and then March. In the beginning of April we had this move higher. I was on a trip, so I has not been following the market in the last 2 weeks of March and then the first week of April, but those who follow me know that before leaving I have mentioned this level of support in the 129 area with reference to the new June contract, and I had this 127.15 level of failure. As we can see, this level was never, price never went below this 127.15, and that means that basically we had participation on the long side in this area, as I was anticipating. And if I'm right and the weakness in the dollar index has started again, we should see this move continuing higher into this 141 area of targets. Now in the last few days since the beginning of April, we had this move higher. There was the day of the BCE meeting. It was a reversal day, and was the start of this move higher. So that coincided with the beginning of the move lower for the dollar index. An important development is that this anchor here that brought a number of retracements that I've been following during March actually broke, with price moving above this 131.06. That means that the sequence of measure move lower has ended also on the weekly time frame, and then now we have price moving higher. And it's very important to understand where the new area of participation on the long side is located. I have 2 levels for you. The first area is already trading, and that would be the retracement from this anchor here to highs. The reason why I'm selecting this anchor is because it's been used in the past already, so it's known to program trading. And in the 130.40 area, it's started a level of participation on the upside. So if this 130 level is not breached on the downside, then we should see a continuation higher with price getting to 134.12 before we get the next move lower. It's possible, however, that tomorrow, as I'll show you when I'm going to review the S&P500, it's possible that this move lower will continue, making price below 130 level. In that case, another important level of support we need to watch is the all the way halfway back here with a support starting the 129.80 area, and with a stop below 129.27. I believe if we get there, we'll also have the support of this 20-day moving average, and I think we should see again price start moving higher again. So at the moment I'm still bullish, very bullish on the euro, and I believe that the euro can reach the 141 level by the beginning of June, or even the beginning of July. Moving to the dollar index, the dollar index has been actually the dollar index has been moving higher since the beginning of February, when the move higher in the euro started, and as we know, this index moves opposite the euro, and we had this move lower since the beginning of April. And an important level to notice is the violation of this area of support in the 82.30, 82.40 area, which provided support twice during March, but was never able, this level of long participation, to bring price into this level of 83, 90, 84. Should have been a level of profit taking as well as new shorts. Price never got there, but rather broken on the downside, this 82 area. So to me, the dollar index has started its move lower. We should also notice that this move higher that we had today, this huge move higher, was not coming from an unexpected, anticipated level of long participation. So I believe this is only profit taking or short players bringing price into the next level of short selling, and this level could actually actually starts at 82.70 area and goes higher into the 82.94, but actually we could see price even move into this 82, 83 area here, and I believe the downside in the dollar index will still be intact. I think the dollar started its move lower. The move we had today, it's profit taking from shorts, and program trading bringing price into the next level of short selling. Finally, the SP500 E-mini futures, we had a very important development here in the last few weeks. If we go back to last year, I want to remind you that I've been tracing and monitoring this level of support here in the 1347 area, at least on the new continuously updated continuous contract here. This level was slightly different before, but you can go back and review my videos on the blog. It was treated the same way, and as you can see, this move on the weekly, which had the participation starting the 1347, brought price into the first target in 1508, and brought also price right at the second target in the 1592 area. And as you can see, as soon as price got there, we saw profit taking. So this move lower, I believe it's not smart money selling, it's program trading, participating on the smaller time frame on the downside, as well as profit taking from out of this huge move higher. Now, for those who follow me know that in the meantime we analyzed this move. And we have broken this move into smaller parts, and we had this level of support in 1385, which put price into 1460. 65, and then again 1510 was the second target. And those who follow me know that I've been tracing this long setup 1483 with a stop below 1472, which again, as we can see, brought price into the first and second target 1578. Now the top of this move that we saw on April the 11th was, as I showed you before, the profit taking level of the larger weekly move. And where price is going? Price is going to the 1525 level. If we don't see price lifting tomorrow and we see a continuation lower, shorts should take profit in the 1525 level, and actually you could go long at this level with a stop below 1509, and this should actually bring a price of the S&P500 even higher. I'm going to show you a potential first target here of this continued move higher. Just let me resize the window, and we will get that. And the first target is could be 1624 if this level of support 1525 holds, meaning that price never moves below 1508 on the June 2013 contract. So it's also possible that the move has ended here, and if that's the case, price should never come below this 1531 level. If we go below that level, then 1525-26 area will provide support. I mean, I anticipate it is going to provide support, meaning that there is definitely long participation at those 1525 level or at the current levels. Thank you very much for your attention and your time. This video is part of my FibStalker midweek update. If you want to receive the midweek update and the weekly newsletter, just you can go to my website fibonaccistalking.com and subscribe to the free newsletter. It's free, and you get a lot of other information on stocks and other major forex pairs, as well as futures. Thank you very much for your time. Have a great evening, and see you soon. Bye bye.